Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. Inshallah, in this video, we should thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us 6 obedient and great servant. See, in many places, if any servant does not come, so what happens? Lot of problems comes. So if we handle them, we only can face the problems. We know very well. In some places, let's take 10 servants are there, but 4 or 5 members did not come, so we cannot manage, such as hotel and business places. So in the same way, Allah Ta'ala has given us 6 servants. These servants are always helping us, but we are not observing because they are so close with us. What are they? Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hands, and legs. Allah Ta'ala has given us 2 eyes. Imagine, can we climb up first floor without the eyes? Very dangerous. What will happen? Some person, they have some weak eyesight, they falls down. So Allah Ta'ala has given us the great servant, that is eyes. So with these eyes, we should see the nature, we should see the Quran Kareem, we should see the whole world, and thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala has given us such a nice and good eyes. So this is very nice and good servant. Next one is nose. So before eating, what do? We take some smells, and this smell indicates to our mind. So then only we drink something, then only we eat something. So just once the tasty food is there, so we want to eat, we automatically the hunger comes, and also we have the mouth, whatever our feelings, whatever we want. So one near person is there, if we don't have the mouth, so how can he understand? Lot of problems comes. So whatever we are speaking and talking, other person can understand easily. So such a nice and great servant is our mouth and our ears. So if we do not listen, blind and deaf, if we do not listen anything, so in business, customer is telling something, we are not listening, the problem will come. So these 2 ears, Allah Ta'ala has given us ear to hear, to listen. Whatever people are telling, we listen easily. And these 2 hands, in this each hand 5 fingers are there. We are driving the car, we are driving the bike, we are holding each and everything with these fingers. We want to eat, so we must use our finger, we must use hands. We want to drink the water, so we must use hands and fingers. This is very great servant. And that 4th one is our legs. Wherever we want to go, if we do not have the legs, whatever we are watching, people are going on wheelchair. He is also human being, we are also human being. 1 second we should imagine, if same position is there, so we will depend upon others. So we should thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala has given us legs. We can go and walk anywhere. Allah Ta'ala has given us hands. We can hold anything. Anything is coming, we can stop with our hands. We can see, we may fall down. Some any stone, anything may be there. So eyes indicates. So we stop, and some suddenly sound is coming. So we that ears tell that go away, go away. So we goes away. Sometime that trees fall down. Sometime the walls fall down. So these ears protect us. So these are the obedient and good servant which one Allah Ta'ala has given us. So we should thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thank you for watching my videos. Please comment and suggest your advices, and please remember me in your dua. Thank you very much.